Hello everyone, we are Emmett Communication Technology Coers Ltd. Today we're going to talk about fiber optic connectors.
So what is a fiber optic connector? Well, a fiber optic connector is actually a physical interface for fiber optic cables.
Fiber optic connectors include SC, LC, FC, ST. C is square-shaped with ferrule sleeve retainer.
The common types are SC, LC, FC, and ST. Let's discuss SC. What does it look like? The SC connector is square, known as a large square, and connects optically through its plug-and-play method. Its structure includes components like the ferrule, crimping sleeve, retainer, insertion handle, and a dust cap for protection. The main advantage is its ease of use due to the plug-and-play operation. The plugging and unplugging relies on this method to connect. The SC connector includes the ferrule, crimping sleeve, retainer, insertion, surrounding handle, inner and outer frame sleeves, and a dust cap to protect the connection. It is easy to use plug-and-play for quick connections. It is also stable. It includes frame sleeves. The connector's advantage is plug-and-play ease for quick fiber optic connections and strong stability. It's used in LANs and fiber-to-home applications for jumpers. It can be configured in dual or quad types. To complete the fiber optic connection, another thing is that it is more stable. Well, where is it widely used? This type of connector is mainly used in local area networks and for fiber-to-the-home applications where it is used for jumper connections. Additionally, it can also be made in configurations like dual or quad types.
All right, thanks.